Better 42 here, and I'm gonna be doing my 5th pack opening. My 4th pack opening, I decided I wasn't gonna upload to YouTube because I spent 70,000 fucking coins and I got jack shit as usual. But today, hopefully, we can get someone good because I don't really care about this game anymore. So I'm just selling all of my teams, trying to get someone good in the pack. Alright, we'll start off with this one. 7,500 pack. See who we get. Hopefully I can get an Iniesta. Come on. Fucking shithole. I hate this game. Alright, shit team. Douche. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's fucking funny. Oh wow! Oh my god! I'm gonna piss my. Oh fuck! His name's Douche. This is fucking amazing. That just made my day. Douche. Oh yeah, that's quality. What sort of fucking name is Douche? Alright, I think that's a good start to the pack opening. Very funny. And we get Robinson. Fucking shit again. It's funny because I don't give a shit about this anymore because EA just keep on trolling me. So I will stall in club and once again go open another shit pack that I know I'm gonna get. PK 15k. You watch, no one good. Once again. Fucking bullshit as usual. This is gay. Alright, no one good. Not even a formation, man. This is disgusting. Sells for 4k for a bloody 15k pack. That is worse than the... Oh, man. That is just terrible. Alright. Oh, fuck. The foe. Look at this little black man. Look at it. Look at his pace. 86 pace. Very quick boy. But he plays for Tottenham, so I'm going to have to start him all in the club. Because they're shit. Alright, come on, Jackie. Come on, Jackie, you can do this. Big boy Jack, you want to play for my team? Come on, get someone good for me, Mr. Jackie. Fucking shithole pack. Oh shit. 86 pace for a silver shiny. He may sell for something. 83 pace as well. Both of these guys I reckon may sell. And Swanson, fuck. I think that's a good pack. What a... Oh, this guy looks like a pedophile. What the fuck? Oh yes, and the formation card. What a pack. That is quality. Hopefully those silvers sell for something. Alright, now to open the last pack that I can do, which I'm not sure what it is. But it will be a bronze jumbo. Come on, bronze. Hello. Come on. Let's get someone good for once. Fucking shithole players. Oh, 79 pace. He's very shit. Alright, I just waste 50k and get no one good. Alright, thank you FIFA for trolling me once again, you pieces of shit. Thank you very much for watching. Please like,